Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where Spotify Wrapped 2025 is not showing up on your app. A lot of people are facing this problem, so if you can't see the Wrapped option yet, don't worry. This method should help you access it easily. Let's get started. First, open your Spotify app and check if the Wrapped section is missing. If you don't see it, the most important thing to do is make sure your Spotify app is fully up to date. Head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and update the app if there's a newer version available. Spotify Wrapped usually works best on the latest version of the app, so this step is crucial. Next, open any web browser on your phone or computer and search for Spotify Wrapped 2025. Once the search results load, scroll down and look for an official Spotify link, usually from Spotify.com. Click on that link and it should open your Wrapped directly in the browser. From there, you'll see an option to jump into the app. Tap on it and it will redirect you to your Wrapped page where you can view and replay all your stats. This method works even if Spotify Wrapped hasn't appeared inside your app yet. Since this year's Wrapped is longer and more detailed, accessing it through the browser lets you enjoy all your listening stats without waiting for the full in-app rollout. And that's it. That's how you can fix Spotify Wrapped 2025 not showing up and still access all your highlights. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.